Hello! In this video, we'll show how to write the relative humidity value on the RHT climate. This is the DigiRail NXprog. It has available several inputs and outputs. This is the RHT climate. Here you can see the humidity at 63.4%. We are going to write a relative humidity value in RHT climate. The connection for programming is via this USB port. So, let's connect the cable to begin with the application setup programming. You should connect the other side on the computer. Now, let's install the Arduino application example. Please, go to Nova's website, choose Product, I/O Modules, search for the DigiRail NXprog and click on it. This is the DigiRail NXprog page. All related documentation is on the bottom. Here is the user manual for reference. The Arduino application example is here, the write modbus _RHT climate. Click on it to download the file. It is a zip file. You should extract it to the folder you choose. Open the folder you extracted the file. Double-click on the write modbus _RHT climate.ino sketch file. The IDE Arduino will open the sketch. This is the code. Let's take a look. Here we have the commands to enable forced values. This is the function that tests the Modbus connection with baud rate 19,200. This is the function that weighs the user value between 0 and 1000 to write in the relative humidity. And in the application, this is the function that writes the user value and the humidity. This is the part that shows humidity value every second. Let's compile it to check the integrity. This is the message of compiling done successfully. Now, let's check the COM port. It is OK. Now, let's execute and load the application to DigiRail NXprog. And let's open the console. This is the progress of loading process. Now, the program was already uploaded, and DigiRail NXprog is already running it. Here we have the COM LED activated, and the communication status in RHT climate, indicating the communication with NXprog. We can see that the relative humidity is 62.8%. Let's take a look in the console. Now, we will write the value 500, and humidity was changed to 50%. Writing 1000 on the console, and the humidity goes to 100%. That's it, so easy. Thanks for watching!